What's going on? My name's Trevor and we're on the Arctic Vet channel today. If you guys are new to the channel, I've got a 97 Chevy Corvette that I attempt to daily. Sometimes it works out, and there's days like today where there's salt down on the road and I'm still out here driving it. A little bit it's right now at the time it's all I've got because I sent my other vehicle to a shop so they can get fixed, get worked on, mainly so that they can figure out what the real problem is and then I can fix it myself, because that's just how I am. I'd rather fix it myself. But today I wanted to talk about my Cars and Coffee event. There's a Camaro out, there's a nice Mustang out. I'm not the only one out here driving on this salt. So I run a Cars and Coffee here in Hutchinson, Kansas, and we posted at the Alley on 23rd and Lorain. And it's every last Saturday of the month from 8 o'clock in the morning till 11. And we've got free drinks up there, free donuts. It's free to attend, free to bring your car, no cost at all. I do have a donation box out there that I just ask for donations as help to cover up some of the costs that the donuts are, and it helps me get some more events going. Otherwise, it's all out of my pocket, and a few sponsors that help me out with things, the Alley being one. Then I have Salt City Sign and Embroidery, myself, I sponsor the events. And then I have Tom and Dan's Tire Pros, which they're in South Hutch, tire shop. They also sponsor me, and they're going to sponsor me again this year. So I'm pretty excited about that. Our first one is actually this weekend, this Saturday coming up, January 26th. It's going to be at 8 a.m. Oh look, there's another Corvette behind me, another C5. She doesn't wave though. I don't know who she is, but she doesn't wave. She must not know. I try. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna have our first Cars and Coffee this Saturday, and I'm getting ready to order some donuts for that event. It's gonna be cold. It's supposed to be like 45 or so that day, but during the time it's gonna start warming up to that, so I'm gonna be bundled up for sure. And hopefully I'll see some of you guys out there. Bring your cars out, your trucks. If you're brave enough, you can ride a motorcycle out, I'd go for it. I would applaud you. It's gonna be freezing for that, I would think. Hopefully my defrost isn't too bad in the background here, but that is a nice Camaro LT1. I don't know if we can hear it. There, you guys can see it. That's beautiful. I need one of those as a family car. Maybe not. I actually did look into it, but yep. So we're gonna be doing jump back to Cars and Coffee real quick. I'm going to be hosting it all year, every month this year. Last year was my first year doing it. This is my second year, and instead of just doing car season, I thought, you know what, we're going for it. We're gonna do the whole year this time. So we're gonna give it a try, see how it goes, and maybe we'll stay to that in following years, or maybe we will stick to just car season. This is gonna be my test, kind of to figure out which way will work better. I know there's definitely interest to have it all year long, so that's what we're going for, and it's gonna be great. I can't wait. some of the events. So my boys will be there helping, and we might do a trunk or treat again. Might try to do some more like community events like that. Try and get even more people out where like the trunk or treat, everybody brings their kids, and there are so many kids that we ran out of candy within 2 hours, and there was one guy left with candy after that. So definitely gonna prepare a little better this time around for that. But normally we've got anywhere from 20 to about 40 cars seems to be the average range that we get. But we did see over 110 cars at our Memorial Day weekend Cars and Coffee, which blew me away because I thought that would for sure be the slowest Cars and Coffee event that we had. But I don't know, for some reason it worked out great. Everybody's like, let's go to the Cars and Coffee and then let's go to the lake. I don't know, but it was awesome. So I'm hoping that we get our average number up a bit. I'd like to be around 50 cars as an average for every event. Doing a little reach out for everybody. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you plan to attend any Cars and Coffee, comment down below, let me know what you're gonna bring. And if you haven't already, please click that red subscribe button. Have a great day.